I faced an impossible choice. My job or theirs. I said, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. And he stops me and he says, no. You're not doing any of that. I know what they did. They're taking advantage of me and I need to make an example out of them. I need you to fire them now. Okay, so y'all know I wasn't gonna do that, right? He's saying the way we're gonna make decisions around here is through compliance, through coercion. We're not here to collaborate. We're not here to cooperate. We're here to clash if you disagree with me. I no longer see a conference room. I see a toxic workplace. Have you ever felt that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alan has navigated organizations through crisis, mergers, leadership transitions, and cultural turnarounds. He helps businesses grow through workshops and coaching that unlock the human capacity within.
I've been in HR for 30 plus years, and yet today felt like a brand new day. Alan Utley was our keynote speaker at lunchtime, and he not only brought to life important and vulnerable stories from his career and his life, but he gave us all a gift, a framework to really think about how we can get out of survival mode during those toxic or turbulent times and replace that with fanatical grace.
Raise your hand if you've ever worked for a toxic boss. This is your training, pass the ball, throw it, catch it. You were trained. Excellent. You can't get this done, I will find someone who can. Okay? Do you feel motivated? If you've ever used any of these phrases or thought any of these phrases, you're not a bad person. You're just trying to survive.
What's so practical about it is he talked about the real world, the way that we experience and we show up.
We tend to make a choice. We think there are two ways to lead, hard or soft, punishment or permissiveness. Neither one seems like the best strategy. Could there be another way to lead?
There is an alternative survival mode. You know what it is? Grace mode.
Why not?
Wow, inspirational. I love the message around grace, a word that we don't use often enough, so it really resonated with me.
And my boss pulls me aside into the hallway. Everyone is just around us, and she says, "Why are you here? Go to the hospital." This was a person, a leader, someone I barely even know, that was giving me something that I didn't feel like I earned or deserved. What word do you have for that?
The one thing that stood out with me was the word grace.
One of the things that I really loved about Alan's delivery is playing the grace card.
When we're feeling stuck, we can say, you know what, I want to play the grace card real quick. And then you answer some questions that are on the back. How am I showing up? Well, right now I'm showing up like I just want to pass the ball. Get it? Okay.
Alan's talk on toxic workplaces was huge. Practical techniques and skills that I can take back to my workplace and start to positively affect the culture.
We're leading from survival mode. We're locking away our capacity. We're stifling potential. Choosing grace is the interruption. Making grace fanatical is the disruption. It's how we change the way we operate. It's how we get out of survival mode. It's how we unlock the capacity within us. It's how we create the space where people can thrive. Choose grace, make it fanatical, watch your business grow.
This was just such a treat. Would highly advocate anyone hiring him, and I would like to actually think about bringing him in.
Very eventful keynote today.
See if I can find any other times that he's speaking and come see him.